Hello again, welcome to lesson 4.3. Today we're going to sing Ma with the 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You already know all about Ma from previous week's lesson, right? So let's just jump into it. All the same rules, just doing Ma. Remember, not Ma, keep the lips loose, and get right to the attitude face. And remember, the tongue is right behind the bottom teeth when you go to the Ah. And then remember, again, keep that attitude face. Another reminder, don't be afraid to keep using that mirror. Mirror is very helpful for this kind of stuff, all right? So I'm going to do it with the scale, and I'll do that exhale, inhale, sign so you know what's going on with my breathing, all right? Here we go. Ma, Okay, cool. So you see, I really try to keep that attitude face. It's very easy to just let it go, ma, to let that attitude face go. Just keep that in mind. There's a little acting involved, at least in the face. And again, if you're not a great actor, you're like, I've never acted, that's okay. Just pretend like you have attitude and make sure that face is there. And really that just helps things flow so much more easily. You know, I always sing better when I feel comfortable and I'm having fun with it. I say the word fun all the time. Really have fun with it. Try to keep that in your head. If you're really stressed out when you're singing and you're like, I have to do this perfectly and I'm just going to do it perfect, guess what? It's not perfect. There's no such thing as a perfect person. There's no such thing as a perfect singer. You may have heard me talk about this before. I don't want to listen to a perfect singer. I don't want to hang out with a perfect person. I think that would be really annoying, okay? The idiosyncrasies in your voice, those unique qualities are so important. And I guarantee your favorite singers are not perfect singers. They're unique. And that's what we want to be, right? Well, we already are unique, of course, right? There's only one you. Let's just, connect with you, allow you to come through with your voice, through your voice, and just relax and have fun, okay? Just a little pep talk there if you're feeling any stress or any, You know what I'm saying. All right, I'm going to leave this in there, okay? All right, so I will see you next lesson. Have fun with it. Thank you.